Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can fix paused Google Sync on Google Chrome. So for instance, you have it like paused, you just need to basically turn on sync and it's going to redirect you here, and you just basically need to sign in to your Gmail account. You also need to go to the settings tab here and make sure you've enabled cookies from accounts.google.com. So I'm just going to type in cookies here, and then I'm going to go to the third-party cookies, select allow third-party cookies, and then here you can also add in the site from the specific one, accounts.google.com here. And once you're done, you're going to press add, and hopefully after that your Google Sync will be in pause, but it basically means that you just need to log in back again to your account. So that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.